Hey guys, this is the HTC U11 Plus, the bigger, more powerful version of the awesome U11. It has that beautiful liquid glass back shimmering with a depth and array of colours you don't get on a range of common phone finishes. The big difference between this and the U11 though is the 2880 by 1440 Super LCD 6 display on the front. It's 18 by 9 ratio, and being LCD it's not quite as bright or vibrant as some of the other AMOLED screens we've seen. But it is a really good looking panel still. It's sharp, natural and bright. And inside there's tons of power in form of the Snapdragon 835 processor, 6GB of RAM and a huge 3930 mAh battery, all of which make for a very fast, fluid and smooth experience day to day that easily keeps you going all day long. And unlike HTC's in years gone by, the single 12MP f-stop 1.7 rear camera on the back is capable of producing some great shots. Colours, details and the way it deals with contrasting light is impressive. And its audio chops are admirable too. You get those U-Sonic headphones which let you tailor the audio for your ears, and there's Boom Sound Hi-Fi for loud bassy sounds from the loudspeaker. And of course there's those squeezy edges which launch Alexa by default but can be used for other apps and functions too. Now while part of its phone making division is now Google's, HTC is starting to show that it can build really great phones without any compromises. What's more, it's £699. That's £300 cheaper than an iPhone X and £100 less than a Pixel 2 XL. If you want to know more, check out our full preview over at Pocket-lint.com. I'll leave a link in the description for you. I'll see you again soon.